Hello all, welcome to my channel, Geology, GIS. In this video, we are going to see some of the basic of remote sensing and GIS. Let's see, what is the definition of remote sensing? Remote sensing is the acquisition of information about an object or phenomenon without making physical contact with the object, and thus is in contrast to on-site observation. In general, remote sensing means sensing things from a distance without contact. What is GIS? A geographic information system is a conceptualized framework that provides the ability to capture and analyze spatial and geographic data. Now let's see, what is geoinformatics? It is the integration of remote sensing, global navigation satellite system, and geographic information system dealing with spatial information. The onset of remote sensing, global navigation satellite system, and geographic information system has made significant changes in surveying and map making. Elements of remote sensing: 1. Energy source. 2. Radiation and the atmosphere. 3. Interaction with the target. 4. Recording of energy by the sensor. 5. Transmission, reception and processing. 6. Interpretation and analysis. First, the sun being a major source of energy. The energy is required to illuminate the target. The total energy is subjected to modification by the several physical processes: scattering, absorption, and refraction. Sensors are used to collect and record the electromagnetic radiation. Next is the receiving and processing station, where the data processed into an image. An interpreter studies remotely sensed data and attempts through logical process to detect, identify, measure, and evaluate the significance of environment. The sensor can be classified into two ways. They are passive sensor or active sensor. Passive sensor depend on solar radiation to illuminate the target, whereas active sensor generates and uses its own energy to illuminate the target and records the reflected energy. Thanks for watching. In my next video we will see more concepts in detail. If you like this video, please leave your comments and subscribe for more videos related to remote sensing and GIS.